Hey guys, it's Lucy Kate and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I tried some more Korean beauty products, so I tested them out and I did a mini makeup routine. I did a Korean makeup video 1 week ago actually, it was uploaded. I had some issues when I published it, so even though I scheduled it for last week, on the date it said it was updated a month ago, so it's a little bit far down in my feed. I received some more Korean cosmetic items, so I decided to try them out today. And because I was really squeezing this video in, I actually already filmed the application portion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just introduce the products that I used right now and then put in the makeup routine, and then after that I will share my final thoughts. I want to apologize for my nails. Last week's makeup video we had some nails missing. We have even more nails missing, so nearly all of them are gone now. Unfortunately, I was planning on getting my nails removed. My gel nail artist is currently away, so I've been peeling them off, which isn't exactly the best thing to do, and my nails are really broken after doing gel nails for so long, so I decided to kind of take a break from nails. Probably just gonna do manicure for the next few months, or just use press-ons or stickers because they really need time to regrow and be healthier. So if you have any recommendations on how to get healthy nails, please let me know. As I said, I received some Korean beauty items, so I decided to try them out today, and this is the look. So I actually applied the makeup a while back, so it isn't as bold as it was originally, but this is the look. So for eyes, I have 3 new products that I tried out today, and 2 of them are from Etude house. So the first product is this Bling Bling eye stick, and it's like this eyeshadow crayon kind of. It applies really smoothly. You just put it directly on the eyelids and you can just smooth it out with your fingers. It was really easy to use. And then the second item is this one. So this one is a Glassy eye glitter from the brand by Rom&nd, I think that's how you say it. And I believe that this is a pretty popular Korean makeup brand, and I just apply this on top of my lids. Third item I wanted to use for my eyes, I use this for my tear duct. This is yet another Etude house product. It's a collaboration with BT21, and it's just this white pearly eyeshadow glitter that you can use in your tear duct. Those were the 3 eye products that I wanted to try out today. Lips, I used another Etude house product. This is actually a product that I got a while back, and it's this Mood Glow lipstick, and it's like a reddish kind of orangey red lipstick. Really smooth application. I really like this lipstick. So basically I just wanted to try out these 3 new eye products. So here's how I got my really simple Korean idol kind of themed makeup, and after the application I will come back for my final thoughts. So that was the makeup routine, and as you can see, it was a pretty easy application, I would say. I'm more of an eyeshadow person, so If I'm in a rush, I just use like a single eyeshadow, which I, funnily enough, did a makeup routine last week on my super quick 10-minute makeup routine. But normally I use eyeshadow palettes, so I'm not really a glitter person. So it felt very new to like try out these products. I will say that they're not my favorite products. I think out of the 3 eye products I tried, I like this eye glitter the best. I feel like this would pair really well with like any regular eyeshadow palette that I have. Like I can just add this on top for some extra glitter. The other 2 products I'd say were so-so in my opinion. So the eye crayon, I mean, it applied well at first. After some time it started to kind of crease in my crease line. Maybe if I set my eyes properly that wouldn't be a problem, but the color itself is really nice. I would say it's a light brown. It applies very lightly. And then the final product, I think lots of people would buy this if they're fans of K-pop and for the collaboration purpose. I myself received this item as a gift. I would say out of the 3 eye products, this was the one I struggled with the most. I think this is supposed to be more of an eyeliner, so you just apply it in one line, whereas I packed on loads under my under eyelids, and what happened is after some time it would like crease and crumble into like a powdery kind of formula. So I had to wipe some off actually, and it wasn't as pearly white as I expected it to be, so it doesn't really stand out that much. I do have other white glittery eyeshadows and like white creamy eyeshadows that would do a better job of highlighting my under eyes. So I would say that the packaging is cute, but not my favorite product. Base products, I just use some BH Cosmetics. It's a palette that I've had from before, so I had no problem with that. Lipstick, I love this lipstick. I pretty much love all of their lip products, to be honest. I haven't really ever had any problems with them. They do really good tint lips as well. And this Mood Glow lipstick, it's not mattifying at all. It's very shiny, I'd say. The texture is very smooth, so it feels comfortable wearing it for a long time. You can feel comfortable even if you're wearing it for a long time. That was today's makeup, and sorry that the order was kind of mismatched. I haven't had time to focus on YouTube recently. To be honest, I've really been focusing on my podcast. Researching for the podcast and recording and editing actually takes up quite a lot of time. I also have a new small business venture that I may be starting in the future, and I've been kind of planning for that, which is why I've been kind of busy. I really want to reveal this venture, but I will wait until like I'm officially ready and everything's all set. That is all for today's video. Please let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from me the most, because I do many different topics and many different kinds of makeup, so I just love to get some inspiration, some feedback, and please go subscribe to my channel. That is all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!